Hey guys, it's Pavel Barber here, and today we're going to work on receiving a pass and then getting that shot released quickly. In games, far too often, I see players receive the puck and then they take so long to set it up that a defender is able to get their stick in the shooting lane and cancel out that shot. So today we're going to be working on receiving it, releasing it quickly with pinpoint accuracy. Let's get started. Alright, so this is a very simple drill. We're just going to be using some pucks, our xTiles passer, our xTiles system, as well as the xTargets there. So we'll start with the xTargets high, and then we're going to move them to those low corners because it's important to be able to shoot for those low shots, because those are ones that go in quite a bit in games. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to have 2 touches on the puck, pass it, first touch, and then the second touch is going to be our release, okay? Okay, so first touch good, get the hips around, 1, 2. 2 touches on the puck, release fully, and get that puck away as quick as you possibly can. Alright guys, that does it for this week's Skill Series video. Quick release is very important in games. Get that shot away quickly before the goalie has a chance to get set and before the defender has time to get their stick in the shooting lane, and put some rubber on these targets.